So outside of the calendar, we need to go ahead and we need to look at our outbox. Now, our outbox is going to be where all of our different messages get sent to. And we can look at this a couple of different ways. Now, my outbox is a little bit lean right now because this is my test account and we don't see anything. But at the very top, we have a couple past due messages. And they're at the top because those are the most important ones. So we can go ahead and review them. If I need to, I can click in and I can edit that specific message. I can adjust the specific time that it's going to go. And then I can either send it now, I can send it later, or I can save it as a draft. And that's going to be how we manage all of those different messages. Now, if I have any that are sending out today, the today area will actually pop up right under past due because that's the second next largest priority in my list. And then after that, we have our upcoming and our sent past and then our drafts. Now, the thing about the upcoming as well as the sent past, if we click these little 3 dots right here, we can adjust the number of days into the future. We want to look for our upcoming as well as the number of days into our past that we want to look for sent past. But this is going to be the area in which we are able to observe and look at all of these messages. Now, ultimately, most of the automations you build using routines, which we're going to dive into a little bit later, those are going to be templated messages that get sent out automatically. We've pre-written them, we've pre-approved everything, and that's great. But anytime we have Sam write a message and or take a templated message and adapt it so that it's more personalized, that's going to be when we have to look at all of those different things. But it's much easier to do a quick review and preview and then send it on its way than it is to have to spend hours thinking about what do I need to write and then figuring out when I need to send it. So that is the power in doing that inside of our outbox. Now, the other thing that we could do inside our outbox on the top right-hand side is click this new message. We could send an email or an SMS.